Some VIP movement in the country right now, in Mumbai in particular. You've got Tim Cook from Apple visiting the country, and just by the way, he's announced some mega news as well. They've announced the new operating system app design and development accelerator in Bangalore. So that's news just coming in. It's going to be a first of its kind center which is going to support developers creating innovative mobile apps in India, which is going to be founded in the city of Bangalore. But also on his agenda, he's going to be interacting with the startup community in Mumbai. 5 top executives, remember, including the COD, Jeff Williams, are accompanying Tim Cook on his visit to the country. He may also be meeting the Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. He's going to then visit Hyderabad for a day on May 19th, may meet the Telangana Chief Minister as well, K. Chandrasekhar Rao, and IT Minister K.T. Rama Rao. And of course, he's going to visit the location of Apple's new tech development center as well. But that's the announcement coming in.
Yeah, Ashwin Mohan joins in from the Taj Hotel in Mumbai, where Tim Cook will be joined by Tata Chairman Cyrus Mistry as well. Ashwin, fill us in.
I'm standing outside the Taj Colaba in Mumbai, and this is where Apple head honcho Tim Cook is scheduled to begin the first leg of his maiden trip to India as the chief executive of the iconic tech company. Tim Cook, in fact, is visiting India after 8 visits to China. Now, if you look at the Chinese market, that's where smartphone sales have saturated. Those sales have also gone down in mature markets like US and Europe, and that is why this is an aptly timed visit by Tim Cook, because he is in fact finally arriving at the world's fastest growing smartphone market, that is India. Apple currently has a 4% market share in terms of smartphones, and Tim Cook would like to reverse that, would like to give that a leg up. As far as some of the key aspects of his India tour are concerned, we understand that Tim Cook is likely to discuss distribution as well as sales tie-ups with many of the telecom operators. Apple, in fact, is betting very big on entire 4G expansion that is envisaged by the domestic telecom operators. They would also, in fact, like to, explore the options of setting up Apple stores in India. Now, if you look at the kind of people that Tim Cook will meet in Mumbai, it includes the likes of Tata Group Chairman Cyrus Mistry. He's also going to be meeting the top brass of TCS as well as Vodafone. We, of course, at ET Now will keep you abreast with all the nuances of Tim Cook's Mumbai visit as the day progresses.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.